What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm gonna be working on this 2016 Honda Civic motor. This one's a 2.0. It has a K20C2 motor. I don't know if for the 1.5 and the 1.8 is the same process or the same timing marks, but this one's, like I said, is a 2.0. So I'm gonna show you where the timing marks are on the motor and on the chain and how to set up the timing. Okay, so before we start, we have to make sure that we hold the cams. So the cams have holes, and you just put a screw in there to hold the cam so it doesn't turn because of the valve springs. If it turns, it might bend one of the valves. So you guys gotta make sure you guys are holding the cams before you even take off the timing chain or you put it on. I had taken it off, so I was holding them before I even took off the timing chain. Okay, for the camshaft, it has an arrow and then it has a dot. For the right hand side, it has another arrow and it has a dot. That's where you're gonna put the chain. And on the crankshaft, on the bottom, on the back, there's a timing mark, and on the gear, you guys can see the other dot again. For the timing chain, it's gonna have golden links. So the single golden link is gonna go to the crank. This one has two golden links. That's gonna go to the left-hand side of the camshaft. And then this one has three golden links. That's gonna go to the right-hand side of the cam. So let me show you how to put it on. So I'm gonna start with the left. I'm gonna put the two golden links. So it's gonna be in between the two links. And then I'm gonna put the one on the right, and it's gonna be in the middle or on the second link, on the second golden link. And then I'm gonna go to the crank. So for the crank, I'm just gonna make sure it's a single link. I'm just gonna make sure it stays where the timing mark is. And then I'm gonna set up my tensioner. So let me put the tensioner on. So there it is. So I'm gonna show you guys again. This is the one for the crank. It's a single link. The one for the left-hand side, it's gonna be two golden links. And the right-hand side, it's gonna be three golden links. Okay, so that's how you set up the timing chain on a 2.0 motor, 2016 Honda Civic. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.